actually, wow. I was a little bit scared. What?
I told him to squeeze it to open it. You're not gonna put yee-yee?
You can't see it. It blends in with the wood too good. Don't. Trevor knows what I put on there.
All right, don't hurt yourself.
Yeah, fucking whiskey on it.
What's up, guys? My name's Trevor. Welcome back to the Vette channel. Today we are doing some stunts. Oh yeah! We made this little jump just to have some fun doing, and he actually made it. I helped him out here and there a little bit. This is what we do on Saturdays, man. This is what life's about. Coming out here and having fun. Not worrying about the stress of life. Yeah! Pretty soon, we're gonna be like going to outer space. Build bigger ramps. Adventure number 2, let's go.
Attempt number 2.
Oh,
We're not taking it down there, dude. It ain't gonna work.
no, you're just gonna have to just ride the yard. This is a bad idea. Did my butt hit? I'm on the ground the whole time. Wow.
Oh, that was legitness.
Oh, he's already going. Too slow.
Too slow. Go, 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 go.
Corner one. Here we go. Straight in the ditch. Right down in the ditch. Here we go. Up, 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 up. Yeah. What are they doing? People, we're making the next X Games. No, no, no. We got us a low D here. This is it! Oh! Okay, there's a little.
Nice, baby.
I literally left it in second.
Keep going, don't let up.
Yeah! Yeah,
God,
now
I'm
that it's
scared.
dark.